Dear friends, this is an important episode on chemical bonding and molecular structure. This episode is brought to you by www.chemistrynotesinfo.com. Attractive forces which holds various constituents like atoms, ions together in different chemical species is known as chemical bond. So we understand from this definition as the attractive force is a very important force that plays in atoms or ions to bring them together to make compounds. So this attractive force which binds these ions or atoms in any chemical species is known as chemical bond. So we see in reactions that's double bond, triple bond, single bonds. So all these bonds are attractive forces between atoms and ions. Now we discuss causal Lewis approach to chemical bonding. Lewis discussed that atoms are achieve stable octet when they linked by chemical bonds. So stability is very important. So every chemical species or every atoms wants to achieve it. So to achieve the stable octet, they form bonds. So this is explained by Lewis. So he explained it as atoms achieve stable octet when they linked by chemical bonds. In NaCl, an electron transfer from Na to Cl, which gives Na plus and Cl minus. And in case of Cl2 H2 F2, sharing of electron take place to form complete stable outer octet. So in these examples, we see that Na have one extra electron which rotate around its orbit. So Na means sodium donate this electron to Cl, who is lacking one electron to complete its octet. So as sodium gives this electron to chlorine, both have complete octet, means Na have complete octet and Cl also have complete octet. So in this way NaCl compound form in which both have complete octet. Similarly, in chlorine, hydrogen gas or fluorine gas, all atoms participate in sharing, means one atom of chlorine and another atom of chlorine come together to make a bond by sharing of electrons, means when chlorine have 7 electron in outermost shell. So when two atoms of chlorine come together and share one electron with each other, so one have 7 electron. When it's get one electron from another chlorine atom, its octet get complete. And similarly, this electron is also shared. It also share its electron with another chlorine atom. So that chlorine atoms also have complete octet. In this way, by this sharing, octet gets complete and bond formed, and this bond is formed by sharing. So all bonds which are formed by sharing are known as covalent bonds, and bonds which are formed by transfer of electron, as in case of NaCl, are called as ionic bond. So valence electrons take part in chemical reaction or combination. So from the above example, we see that the valence electron which are in outermost shell take part in sharing or transfer of electrons. So this suggests that valence electron take part in any chemical reaction or combination of. So symbol to represent valence electron in atom is known as Lewis symbol. So these symbols means which we use to represent that these are number of valence electron is known as Lewis symbol. Significance of Lewis symbol. Lewis symbol are very important to calculate valence electrons. So valence electron is equal to number of dots or 8 minus number of dots. So these dots are valence electron. Octet rule. According to octet rule, atoms can combine either by sharing electrons or by transfer or gaining or losing of electrons to complete octet, that is 8 electron in outermost shell. So octet can be completed by sharing of electrons or by transfer of electrons. Covalent bond. Bond formed by sharing of electrons is known as covalent bond, and when sharing of one pair of electrons take place is known as single covalent bond. When sharing of two pair of electrons take place is known as double bond, and when sharing of three pairs of electrons take place is known as triple bond. So single bond, double bond and triple bond is very simple. That is, if sharing of one electron take place, then it is single bond. If sharing of two pair of electrons take place, then it's double bond. If sharing of three pair of electrons take place, then it's triple bond. Formal charge. For polyatomic molecule or ion, formal charge of an atom in Lewis structure is equal to total number of valence electron in free atom minus total number of non-bonding or lone pair electrons minus 1 by 2 total number of bonding shared electrons. So this is a small discussion on chemical bonding and molecular structure. You can get complete notes of this chapter, chemical bonding and molecular structure, from our website www.chemistrynotesinfo.com. There is an option named as download PDF, from where you can download PDF of this chapter or any chapter for your class. And there is also a section named as chemistry podcast, from you can listen a podcast or you can listen audio discussion of any chemistry related chapter. And you can also see the lab experiments from there, and also learn about famous scientists. If you complete your chemistry education and you want to job, and if you are from India, then there is an option job, from where you can easily get job related to your field. It means if you are doing your for pharmacy, if you are doing your pharmacy or pharmaceutical chemistry, then there is all jobs related to jobs in pharma companies. If you are specialized in organic chemistry, physical chemistry, then there is jobs for that sectors also. And there is another section, infographics, spectroscopy, symbol and formula, terminologies and chemistry videos, from where you can learn so many important notes, or there is many resources to learn chemistry. There is also an important section, chemistry quiz, where you can participate in chemistry quizzes to check your knowledge of chemistry. So uh, do visit our website www.chemistrynotesinfo.com. If you find this website and this podcast series interesting, please follow and subscribe our channel on whatever platform you listen. That's maybe iTunes or Spotify or Google Podcast, or on website, YouTube, wherever you will listening this podcast. Please do follow and subscribe, so you get the future uh, podcast episodes as soon as we publish it on your mobile or laptop, wherever you get notification. Thank you to listening this episode.